The first question here we have is 3 plus 6 plus 3. 3 plus 6 plus 3. See carefully, here we do not have 3 more bits to add at the one slot. So, direct addition of 3 is not possible. Now, let us check for the small friend addition of 3, which is also not possible. Why? Because we have already used the upper bits at the one slot, whose value is 5. So, what is the small friend addition of 3? Plus 3 is plus 5 minus 2. We have already used the bid of 5. So, here small friend addition of 3 is also not possible. So, in this video we are going to learn one more big friend formula, which is big friend addition of 3. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Are you practicing Abacus regularly or not? How is your improvement in your calculation till now? Do let me know in the comment. Already we have learnt the big friend concept, conditions for big friend and two big friend addition formula, that is big friend addition of 1 and big friend addition of 2. The links of these videos are in the description. Let me first tell you when we can apply the big friend addition of 3. First condition, where we can't add 3 directly, and second condition is where we can't use the small friend addition of 3 when we have already used the bid of 5. So, in this situation we can apply big friend addition of 3. Now, let us see how we can apply this formula. Now, we are going to solve 10 examples. In these examples we have to use the big friend addition of 3. So, now let us see how we can apply this formula. The first question, 3 plus 6 plus 3. 3 plus 6 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7. Answer is 12. Next question, 6 plus 2 plus 3. 6 plus 2 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7. Answer is 11. Next question, 7 plus 1 plus 3. 7 plus 1 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7. Answer here is also 11. Next question, 9 minus 1 plus 3. 9 minus 1 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7. Answer is 11. Next question, 7 plus 3 plus 9. 7 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7 plus 9. Answer is 19. Next question is 17 plus 2 plus 3. 17 plus 2 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7. Answer is 22. Next question, 28 plus 3 plus 8. 28 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7 plus 8. Answer is 39. Next question, 59 plus 3 plus 7. 59 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7 plus 7. Answer is 69. The last two questions you have to solve by yourself and write the answer in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.